in today's video, I'm going to talk about my beautiful matching headband wig from Wigenius Hair. So this is actually the beautiful package from Wigenius Hair. And if you want to know how the wig looks, keep watching the video, okay? And actually the wig came in this beautiful package. Shipping was super fast. And when you open the package, this is a package. So every package, oh wow, this is so beautiful. Every package has got the wig, the headband as a gift. Every package, anytime you receive this package, headband wig from Wigenius Hair, it's gonna come with one headband wig. Okay, so guys, keep watching the video and I'll give you guys more details. Mwah! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's all about headband wigs. You don't really need to cut any baby hair. There's already a headband for you. All you need to do is to make baby hair with your own natural hair. No need to cut any lace wig. So it came like this, and this wig is actually from Wigenius Hair. Wigenius Hair comes with this beautiful package. Okay, this beautiful package. Wigenius Hair, create your own look. So Wigenius Hair will actually help you create your own look. And when it comes, and it's actually a machine-made wig. So this is how it is. And actually, this is a kinky curly 22 inches kinky curly wig. It's a 22 inches kinky curly wig. Wow. And it's very full. Very full. Very full and very soft. You can see me running my fingers through the hair. Yeah, and it's not shedding, it's not tangling. This is how it is. And actually, this is 22 inches kinky curly. You need to stretch it into straight to get the actual length. Don't forget. Okay, you need to stretch it into straight. And it's very easy to maintain this hair. You can bleach the hair, you can perm the hair, you can shampoo the hair, you can restyle it, you can wash it. If you want to wash it, go ahead and get it washed. Okay, and this is how it looks inside, because the headband wig is like this. This is headband wig. For the headband wig, we have got headband wig kinky curly, headband wig body wave straight hair, and the headband wig has come to solve the shortage of closures and frontals. Okay, because we have run short of supply. I mean, frontals and closures are in short supply. Lots of girls are now going in for this, and that is why the headband wig is popular. Why headband wig is popular these days. So this video is about why headband wig is very popular these days. The wig has got 3 combs in front. 1, 2, 3. The wig has got 3 combs in front. Okay, 3 combs in front. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then the wig has another comb at the back. And then the adjustable strap is here to help you adjust the size of the cap in case you have the smaller, if you have a very small head. But of course, the wig cap is an average wig cap which you can also wear. And that is how it is. The adjustable strap. Apart from the adjustable strap, this wig is big head friendly. Okay, it's big head friendly. It stretches. The wig is super soft. It doesn't shed. It doesn't tangle. So once you have the wig cap on and you have your baby hair done, all you need to do is super easy to fix this wig. You can save a lot of time, a lot of energy. No need to struggle with cutting lace and doing baby hair with the wig and all that. And this is just 1 second. It's just 1 second. I say it's 1 second. Because it's very easy to fix it. So you just tag it at your back. 1 minute. You got that. Wow. A lot of hair. Yeah, it's like I have got lots and lots of hair. This hair is really full, and it's actually 22 inches. Okay, It's 22 inches. This hair is super beautiful and super full, and the price is also very affordable. Shipping is very, very fast, and this is a machine made wig. It's a machine made wig, and you can style it anyhow. Now, when you order this hair from us, you also stand a chance of getting any of the headbands for free. It's actually it's part of the package. I don't know which one to use. Let me see. Let me use this one. This is a headband. So first it's going to come like this. Okay, so when you put on your headband wig, this is actually how it looks like. It's black band. Now you can put any other color to match your clothes or the occasion so that you can get a perfect look. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to put the headband wig right on my head. Okay, so it is finally done, and this is super beautiful. You can see it, and it comes to you as a gift right after placing your order. And this is a kinky curly. This is kinky curly. Wow, this is really beautiful. Okay, so guys, this is the final look. You can see the hair. It's right here, and wow, this is so beautiful. There's a lot of hair. It looks like a natural hair. You can make this look your everyday look. You can actually make this look your office look. It's also very beautiful. And for office, if you don't want to use the headband, you just use the wig. You can just use the black headband. It's also very beautiful for office. Now, don't forget the shortage of closures and frontals. Closures and frontals are getting expensive each day. So now girls are going in for this kind of hairstyle, for this kind of headband wig. So it's super popular. If you haven't got yours, please try and get it. Don't waste time. It's super beautiful. Once again, let me turn around for you guys to see. It's really full. And the wig on my head is actually 22 inches. It's a 22 inches wig. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Mwah. Peace out.